back to my video. Today we are going to be making cupcakes. So we have this right here, and we have these again. Not like not cupcakes, but muffins. Muffins, yeah, not cupcakes. One or two? I don't know. But yeah, guys, so we're going to be doing this, and here's the thing. Okay, guys, so right now we're just putting the mixture in. It's going to be chocolate, and Daddy's just putting the milk in right now. Okay, Daddy's just whisking it right now. That's pretty good. And, yeah, milk is still open. Dad. Okay. Daddy's putting it in now. That's pretty good. Okay, guys, so all the things are all done now, and the thing beeped, guys. So now it's time. Okay, so we just put them in the stove, and just, Actually, it's actually pretty good. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna pause you guys again, and when the muffins are gone, I will turn you guys back on, and then we'll show you one. So we're back, and guess what? The cupcakes are finished. Look how good those look, guys. This one has a chocolate chip, and they're so good. Oh yeah, okay.
It's yours.
Okay, thank you. Guys, this is crazy.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's really good. It didn't mess up, Daddy. Yeah. So subscribe to my channel. Do this video. Give this video a big thumbs up. Turn on your notifications to be our #1 fan, guys.